Hello student. Should you use flowcharts in your answers or not? This is a very common confusion, and today I will clarify this confusion with the help of some examples. See, when you write an answer, what is this? It is a kind of communication between a student and evaluator. So answer you are giving convey some message. For example, I am asking that what are Maslow's being needs and how these are different from deficiency needs. Now see, this thing you can write in a verbal way also, and with the help of some chart also, so called flow chart also. So when you should use, or is it necessary that you must use? I will tell you this thing. Listen, see, flowchart should be used to facilitate your meaning. If flowchart you think will simplify the meaning, it will clarify, the description will be more precise, then you must use that things. Anyhow, when you use flowchart, then only criteria should be to judge that whether it will facilitate or complicate the meaning. मीनिंग को ये और सिंपल बनाएगा या उसको और कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देगा. कुछ लोग फ्लो चार्ट यूज़ करते हैं, दे जस्ट यूज़ फॉर द सेक ऑफ फ्लो चार्ट, so that will not fetch you marks. Remember this thing. I have evaluated thousands and thousands of answers, and I have two category of students. One students like who have scored good marks. See this thing, Joseph, 311 marks. Paper has been uploaded on our website. You can check. See how many flowcharts are there in there. Is his answer. At the same time, other students are also there. This year top students also. You will find that some of them use flowcharts, some of they do not do it at all, and it doesn't mean that they are not getting good marks. But yes, if you ask me in a very specific way when I can use flowchart, then when something like I have just said that you have seen this thing that these needs are suppose D need and these needs are suppose B need. So if you give description over there, so it will be more precise, things will be clear, and you are emphasizing the hierarchy also, what comes first and second. When you are to when you want to describe the order, logical sequence, when you want to show the and specify the process, in that case using flowchart generally facilitate your answers. Getting मीनिंग को और क्लियर कर देता है ये, तो वहाँ पे यूज़ करना चाहिए आपको फ्लो चार्ट. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जेम्स लैंग थ्योरी एंड कैनन वार्ड थ्योरी. तो जेम्स लैंग थ्योरी सेज दैट थिंग्स आर sequential. What is that? This is physiological arousal, and then here is experience of emotion. So first this one, second this one. This is the sequence. But Cannon word simultaneous. He says that both physiological arousal and psychological experience are simultaneous process. Getting simultaneous, parallel process. So when you are comparing these two, so using this this is a sequential thing and this is a parallel thing. So if you use flowchart here, then it make your answer more clear. With fewer word you can convey the meaning. You are emphasizing the steps also, logical sequence also. So this makes a better sense to use flowchart. But again, it all depends upon you. Some people are very comfortable with flowchart. Some people are not. कुछ लोगों का वर्बल नेचर होता है, वो जल्दी जल्दी लिखते ही है. So I will tell you that if you have that pattern, that verbally you are very expressive, very precisely you are able to express something, then don't change your style of writing and you will get very good marks. So no, don't be confused. It is not very some like magical things that it will add marks in your answer. Marks will come only when answer is appropriate and adequate. Just adding flowcharts will not make your marks higher or lower. Getting my point? So I hope you have understood this thing. जहाँ कहीं भी स्टेप्स बताना हो, एक्चुअल लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस बताना हो, डिस्क्रिप्शन को कंपेयर करना हो, you can use table, flowchart and something like advised by Microsoft. जो वर्ड का जो फाइल है उसमें भी देखिए इस तरह से एम्फेसाइज किया जाता है कि किस कहाँ पे फ्लोचार्ट यूज़ करना चाहिए टू कंपेयर समथिंग, टू मेक द प्रोसेस क्लियर, देन ऑल दिस थिंग. सो वो वही चीज़ है यहाँ पे आंसर में भी. सो डोंट बी कन्फ्यूज एंड डोंट बी गाइडेड बाई हियर एंड से. मैं आपको ये जो गाइड कर रहा हूँ वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस से और मैंने ओवर द ईयर जो देखा है जिसके एक्चुअल मार्क्स आए हैं उनको. And you can verify this thing on our website. Papers have been uploaded of different IAS toppers. So आपको ये यूज़ करना चाहिए rather than here and say कि किसी ने कहा कि फ्लोचार्ट यूज़ करने से ये हो जाएगा. कुछ लोगों के मार्क्स नहीं आते. So they try to attribute the things in to different things. So they assume that this could be the reason, this could be the reason, this could be the reason. And one of the diagnoses is that you do not use flowchart. Many students suggest that you should do. बिकॉज कई लोग आंसर मैंने देखा जहाँ फ्लो चार्ट यूज़ किया उनके मार्क्स बहुत अच्छे आ गए. यू शुड फोकस ऑन दिस थिंग, व्हाट हैज़ बीन कन्वेड, व्हाट मीनिंग हैज़ बीन कन्वेड थ्रू फ्लो चार्ट. इफ़ दैट इज़ क्लियर देन यू विल गेट मार्क्स नो मैटर वेदर यू यूज़ फ्लो चार्ट और नॉट. ऑफ कोर्स मैंने जैसे बोला है कि आप यूज़ कर सकते हो वहाँ पे, दैट मेक्स ए सेंस ऑल्सो. थैंक यू. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस मीनिंग.